Hey everyone, today we're going to explore how you can try Ethereum mining without using any physical equipment. No GPUs, no rigs, just your computer and an internet connection. Let's see how far we can go with zero hardware. Exactly 1 month ago, I posted a video showing how to mine crypto using only your browser. No mining rig, no hassle. That's a dream, right? This way you can easily grow your portfolio, and in this video I'll show you exactly how I did it. So if you're interested, let's see how much I earned. Hello everyone. Today I'm going to share a very simple method to earn Ethereum cryptocurrency using ChatGPT. This method works by automatically processing transactions on the Ethereum blockchain and collecting profits in the form of transaction fees. I've written a script with ChatGPT to automate this process. There are many videos on YouTube showing how to make money with ChatGPT in crypto, but most of them have very low profit margins. In this video, I'll introduce a new method and reveal my earnings at the end of the video. Now let's take a closer look at the new Ethereum mining method I have discovered together. Step 1. Set up Metamask wallet. In this method, we will transfer our liquidity and profits through the Metamask wallet. If you don't have a Metamask wallet, you can download and install it on your browser for free. Step 2. Open the source code and launch on Codepen. You can find the source code and the Codepen site through the link I provided in the description. Now we will run our source code using Codepen with localhost without downloading any files to our computer. For this, go to the Codepen website and click on Start Coding. Now copy and paste the source code into the HTML section on this page. At this step, make sure you have copied and pasted the entire code correctly. After successfully pasting the code, you will see the software interface at the bottom. From here, to complete the MetaMask connection and start the mining process, we need to continue in a new tab. So click on the Open in New Tab button. And step 3, connect the MetaMask wallet. In this step, we will establish the connection between our source code and MetaMask. To do this, click on the Connect MetaMask button. Step 4. Deploy contract. To mine Ethereum and interact with liquidity pools, you need to create a smart contract. In this step, we will generate our contract. For this, click on the Deploy Contract button. Step 5. Attach our wallet to smart contract. In this step, we will connect the contract we just created to our MetaMask wallet. To do this, we need to open our second MetaMask account. We open our MetaMask wallet and follow these steps. Go to account 1. Click on Add Account or Hardware Wallet and add a new Ethereum account. Enter the name for your second wallet. I will name the account Account 2. In a moment, we will transfer our liquidity to the newly created wallet. To do this, we need to attach our contract with Account 2. Now copy the address of Account 2, the newly created MetaMask wallet, and paste it into the software, and click Attach button. Step 6. Confirm and send liquidity. And now as the final step before mining, we will transfer our liquidity to the contract address we created and connected our wallet to. We're simply transferring our liquidity to the newly created Account 2 address, and we'll continue the mining process in the new wallet. Click on the Confirm Send Ethereum button. In the newly opened tab, we need to confirm the liquidity transfer. At this step, our funds will be transferred to the newly created Account 2 address. Click the Confirm button and liquidity transfer is processing, and the liquidity transfer will take average 10 to 60 seconds to complete. And our transfer is confirmed. Now we are ready for mining. Step 7. Start the mining. At this stage, you can see the mining interface of the software. All the necessary indicators are available here. This way, you can track in detail which liquidity pools you are using, the methods applied, and exactly how much you have earned. If you're ready, let's start the mining process, and once it's completed, we will analyze the data together. Since the mining process will take a long time, I will speed up the video shortly. But before that, let's verify through MetaMask that our approved liquidity has been successfully transferred to the Account 2 address. As you can see, the liquidity is now in Account 2. Now I speed up the video for 30 minutes, and once the mining process is complete, we will analyze the results together. And yes, our 30 minutes mining session is now complete. Now let's analyze the results together. Step 8. Mining results. We have earned total of 0.24 Ethereum. Now let's withdraw our profit to our account. At this stage, I recommend withdrawing your profit to account 1 while keeping your liquidity in account 2 at all times. I'm copying the address from account 1 and pasting it into the withdraw section. We made a total of 203 attempts, out of which 20 were successful, earning us 0.24 Ethereum. As I mentioned at the beginning of the video, after mining, you can analyze all your data through this interface. For example, in this mining session, we earned the most Ethereum using the add liquidity method. If you like long-term reporting, you can download all your data as an Excel file to your computer by clicking the Download Data button in the bottom left corner. And now we've reached the best part. Let's withdraw our profit to our account. Click the Withdraw button, and the withdraw transfer will take average 10 to 30 seconds to complete. 0.24 Ethereum has been sent to our account. Now let's check and confirm the transaction. We're waiting for the transfer to be confirmed. And the Ethereums have arrived in our account. The equivalent of 0.24 Ethereum, which is $665, is now in our account. To provide proof, we can now check the transaction details on Etherscan. And yes, we can see our profit on Etherscan as well. You can check all block numbers and transactions for verification. In our overall mining results, we earned $665 with $2,775 in liquidity within 30 minutes. If you'd like, you can try this method yourself, and don't forget to share your results in the comments. Yes, friends, in this video, I did my best to show you the new Ethereum mining method I discovered. I hope you liked it. The process is quite simple to apply, but if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments, and I'll be happy to help. You can support me by subscribing to the channel as a way of saying thanks. See you in the next videos. Take care and goodbye.